Good day guys, my name is Jacques van Zijl and I'm the Security Specialized Team Unit. Today we're going to talk about the MITRE ATT&CK framework. We have about 3 minutes to just go over it and just tip your toe right into that little pool of what is that information we require to either detect, protect and respond, or basically to see how a hacker will mitigate into your organization or on your machine. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to head down to your browser and actually go to the top and go to attack.mitre.org. You will see the initial bits here, which is 12 techniques. Okay. Now a hacker will utilize these techniques to either gain information, maybe get persistence in organization or in your machine, maybe grab something, but there's always a few steps they need to take in this attack framework to gain that information. So if we look into initial access, they can do it by spear phishing of emails, or they can, for instance, use, like, for instance, a removable media. Maybe if you plug it in, it will maybe launch a code or something like that. And you can see as you move along, there's these two little dashes that comes in. So if I, for instance, want to steal, let's say, for instance, credentials, it will be a T1003. Okay. So the MITRE ATT&CK framework basically will tell you exactly the methods of how they've accomplish that particular attack. So let's go into a particular attack and see how that looks like. So this particular hacker wants to use an email or a link to send to you. Then it's going to use all these methods over here. And then on the end, which is at number 4, it's going to do the ransomware payload. Okay. So let's have a look how this will particular attack system will look like in a MITRE ATT&CK framework system. So as I click on it, you will see it starts off with spear phishing link, which is T1192, and as you can see, as the hack progresses, each is part of a particular window, as I spoke about in the MITRE ATT&CK framework. So let's put the MITRE ATT&CK framework and the way they attack together, and that will give you a little bit more holistic view of what they are doing. Okay. So as you can see, they launched it by email, and each little step they follow is part of the attack framework. The cool part about this is, from a Microsoft perspective, we give you the protections that you require to stop against getting this payload of this ransomware on your machine. Okay, so this is crucial to understand if you're in cybersecurity or you're doing something in an organization, that you need to look into, ways that hackers maybe want to do something bad in your organization. You can always refer back to the MITRE framework to see either be productive, see where they're going with it, or see potential methods. Maybe there's some security update and patches that you need to do to make sure that this particular attack can't get into your organization. And maybe what you need to do is have a look on the right-hand side, or what you require to stop that particular attack or mitigation to happen. Okay, so guys, you can follow me on LinkedIn. I launch every second week a little bit more if you want to go deeper session into it, where I will actually run certain amount of attacks and we will go over it, how we actually stop it. Follow me and let's see, maybe there's something that I can help you with. Guys, always remember to detect, protect and respond. Stay safe out there and take care.